Google AdWords, a comprehensive guide to basic and advanced strategies. Google AdWords is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes to reach their target audience, drive traffic to their websites, and increase conversions. With a wide range of targeting and optimization options, AdWords enables businesses to create highly targeted and cost-effective campaigns that can deliver real results. Whether you're just starting out with AdWords or you're looking to take your campaigns to the next level, this comprehensive guide will provide you with everything you need to know about basic and advanced AdWords strategies. Basic AdWords strategies. Before diving into advanced AdWords strategies, let's start with the basics. Here are some of the key elements you need to consider when setting up a basic AdWords campaign. Campaign objectives. The first step in creating an AdWords campaign is to define your objectives. What do you want to achieve with your ads? Do you want to drive traffic to your website, generate leads, increase sales, or raise brand awareness? Defining your objectives will help you create more effective ads and set up the right targeting and optimization options for your campaign. Keyword research. Once you've defined your objectives, the next step is to conduct keyword research. Keyword research involves identifying the most relevant and high-intent keywords for your campaign. There are several tools you can use for keyword research, including Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs. These tools will help you find keywords that are relevant to your business, have a high search volume, and are not too competitive. Ad groups. Once you've identified your keywords, you need to create ad groups. Ad groups are groups of ads that target specific keywords or themes. By creating ad groups, you can ensure that your ads are highly relevant to the keywords you're targeting. For example, if you're selling running shoes, you might create ad groups for keywords like running shoes for men, running shoes for women, and best running shoes. Ad copy. Ad copy is the text that appears in your ads. Your ad copy should be compelling, relevant to your target audience, and include your chosen keywords. When writing ad copy, it's important to focus on the benefits of your product or service, rather than just its features. Make sure your ad copy stands out from the competition and provides a clear call to action (CTA). Landing pages. Landing pages are the pages on your website that users will land on after clicking on your ads. Your landing pages should be highly relevant to the keywords and ad copy in your ads and provide a clear path to conversion. Make sure your landing pages are mobile-friendly, load quickly, and have clear CTAs. You should also use A/B testing to optimize your landing pages for better results. Targeting options. AdWords provides a wide range of targeting options, including location, language, device, and demographic targeting. You can also use retargeting to target users who have already visited your website or engaged with your ads. Make sure you set up your targeting options based on your campaign objectives and your target audience. This will ensure that your ads are shown to the right people at the right time. Bidding options. AdWords provides several bidding options, including manual bidding and automated bidding. With manual bidding, you set your own maximum bid for each keyword. With automated bidding, AdWords uses machine learning to optimize your bids for maximum return on investment (ROI). Make sure you choose the right bidding option for your campaign objectives and budget. You should also regularly monitor and adjust your bids to ensure you're getting the best possible results. Advanced AdWords strategies. Now that we've covered the basics of setting up an AdWords campaign, let's dive into some advanced strategies that can help take your campaigns to the next level. Audience targeting. Audience targeting allows you to reach specific groups of people based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. With audience targeting, you can create highly targeted campaigns that are more likely to resonate with your target audience. There are several types of audience targeting available in AdWords, including affinity audiences. These are groups of people who have shown a strong interest in a particular topic, such as travel, food, or sports. In-market audiences, these are people who are actively researching or considering purchasing a product or service in a particular category, such as home improvement or personal finance. Custom audiences, these are groups of people you create based on your own customer data, such as email lists or website visitors. Similar audiences, these are groups of people who have similar interests and behaviors to your existing customers or website visitors. By using audience targeting, you can create campaigns that are more personalized and relevant to your target audience, which can result in higher click-through rates and conversions. Ad extensions. Ad extensions are additional pieces of information that can be added to your ads to provide more context and encourage clicks. Ad extensions can include site link extensions. These are additional links that appear below your ad and provide users with more options for navigating to your website. Call-out extensions. These are short phrases that highlight the benefits of your product or service, such as free shipping or 24/7 customer support. Call extensions. These allow users to call your business directly from your ad. Location extensions. These display your business address and phone number in your ad. By using ad extensions, you can provide more information to potential customers and increase the likelihood that they will click on your ad. Remarketing. Remarketing allows you to target users who have already interacted with your website or ads. By targeting users who are already familiar with your brand, you can create highly targeted campaigns that are more likely to result in conversions. There are several types of remarketing available in AdWords, including standard remarketing. This targets users who have previously visited your website. Dynamic remarketing. This targets users who have previously viewed specific products or services on your website. Remarketing lists for search ads RLSA. This targets users who have previously interacted with your website when they search for specific keywords on Google. By using remarketing, you can create highly personalized campaigns that are more likely to convert users who are already familiar with your brand. A/B testing. A/B testing involves testing different variations of your ads or landing pages to see which performs better. By testing different elements of your campaign, such as ad copy, landing page design, or targeting options, you can identify the most effective strategies and optimize your campaigns for better results. When conducting A/B tests, make sure you test only one variable at a time to accurately identify the factors that are impacting your results. You should also test for a long enough period of time to ensure you have statistically significant results. Advanced bidding strategies. In addition to manual and automated bidding, there are several advanced bidding strategies available in AdWords that can help you optimize your campaigns for better results. These include target CPA bidding. This bidding strategy allows you to set a target cost per acquisition CPA, and AdWords will automatically adjust your bids to help you reach the target. Target ROAS bidding. This bidding strategy allows you to set a target return on ad spend ROAS, and AdWords will automatically adjust your bids to help you reach the target. Enhanced cost per click ECPC bidding. This bidding strategy automatically adjusts your bids to increase the likelihood of a conversion. Maximize conversions bidding. This bidding strategy automatically sets your bids to maximize the number of conversions your campaign receives within your budget. By using advanced bidding strategies, you can optimize your campaigns for better results and improve the return on investment (ROI) of your advertising spend. Ad copy and landing page optimization. Ad copy and landing page optimization are crucial for improving the performance of your AdWords campaigns. By creating compelling ad copy and optimizing your landing pages for conversions, you can increase the likelihood that users will click on your ads and convert on your website. When optimizing your ad copy, make sure to highlight the unique benefits of your product or service and use a clear call to action to encourage clicks. You should also test different ad copy variations to identify the most effective messaging for your target audience. When optimizing your landing pages, make sure to use clear and concise messaging that aligns with your ad copy. Your landing pages should also be optimized for mobile devices and should load quickly to avoid high bounce rates. Competitor analysis. Competitor analysis involves analyzing the strategies and tactics used by your competitors in AdWords. By analyzing your competitors, you can identify opportunities for improvement in your own campaigns and create more effective campaigns that stand out from the competition. To conduct competitor analysis, start by identifying your main competitors in AdWords. You can use tools like SEMrush or SpyFu to analyze the keywords and ads used by your competitors. You can also analyze the landing pages and ad copy used by your competitors to identify their strengths and weaknesses. By conducting competitor analysis, you can identify opportunities for improvement in your own campaigns and create more effective campaigns that stand out from the competition. In conclusion, AdWords is a powerful advertising platform that can help businesses of all sizes reach their target audience and achieve their marketing objectives. By using a combination of basic and advanced strategies, you can create highly targeted campaigns that are more likely to resonate with your target audience and drive conversions. Whether you're just getting started with AdWords or looking to take your campaigns to the next level, there are always new strategies and tactics to test and optimize for better results.